I know, Anjali, why you have come here. In order to tell me that I don't love you. Earlier you loved me, I know. Because that time I had money, I was handsome, I had everything. But now since you got one handsome and rich boy, you are going to leave me. It's a totally wrong, Anjali. I know so many girls do so, but I didn't expect you that you would do this. Like, you are so bad. Now I have lost my job. Now I am like out of my family members. Now I don't have anything. I left everything for you, and today you are going to me. You are saying that I don't love you. What is this? You should. I can't tolerate this. Now how can I say that I love you a lot? I can't live without you because uh, I have sacrificed everything for you. I have sacrificed my family members. I have sacrificed my career, education, everything. Now you are telling me that I don't love you. Why? Why are you doing so? Why you are saying that you don't love me? I know you must be thinking that, oh, now you don't have anything, you are useless, you are jobless, you are not educated. But love doesn't require any condition that okay, until you have one car, until you have one bungalow, until you are educated, until you have money, so you can't love me. No, no, no. Of course, earlier you made me promise that Gyanend, I will never ever leave you. I will die without you. Please, we will live together in this life, no matter what condition we get. But we will live together. But now what happened to you? You are going to far from me just because of I don't have anything. Now I am useless. Okay, now I have become useless just because of what? Just because of you. If I had not fallen with your love, I would be doing any job because I have I have quit my study because of you. You said to me that, okay, Gyanend, I love you a lot. You don't need to become any engineer. You don't need to find any kind of job. We will survive together. We will live together. We will build a house. We will fulfill our dream. But now what happened? Who misguided you? you know like my father expected me that yeah, one day my son would become this like engineer and this job, that job. But I didn't care about my parents dream. I thought okay, let it be. But I love a girl. you know I had a great family. One day my father told me that, Gyanen, I found a beautiful girl for you that is so innocent and she is educated and also she has a job. You have to marry that girl. I totally denied my dad that, Dad, I will not marry any kind of girl because I love a girl. I just refused this. For what? For whom? For you. For you. I didn't care about my family members. I didn't care about my respect. I didn't care about my career. I cared about you. And now you are telling me that no, 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 no. I can't live with you. Anjali, it's totally wrong. I'm telling you, today you are going to leave me. Tomorrow that person can leave you. I know such kind of girl. They run after money and luxurious life. They don't want any kind of love. I loved you from bottom of my heart. So why are you saying that you don't have car, you don't have bungalow, why you don't have this thing? Nothing is required to be in love. If we love each other, we are genuine towards each other. So what? If I talk about money and if I talk about car, bungalow, so we can get later on, of course. But I think you have gone so far. Yes, because now you love Rahul and Rahul has so many things. now. And what about he is going to dump you, thinking that okay, now I don't need you because you are also like jobless. So I'm telling you, it's totally wrong. Today you have like betrayed me. Of course, tomorrow, of course, anyone can betray you. So just go from my life. Today you have opened my eyes. Yeah, I know it's too late, but yes, still I can handle my life. I can handle my further life, and of course I will give you perfect reply after 2 or 3 years. I will show you. Definitely try to become an engineer, and I will build a house and luxurious life, and I will also show you one beautiful girl with me after some time. Just go and don't show your face to me in my life. Just go. So guys, see, in order to become fluent in English, you have to do so. It could be any story. You have to speak and speak and speak. So in order to show you how to become fluent in English, you have to do such kind of role play. So today I have shown you a love story. I spoke some sentences, and of course, here there is no one who can judge me, and I am telling you, I am showing you this thing so that you can also do. Yeah, it's really very difficult to do so initially, but yes, if you start doing it, you will become habitual. So guys, do this. Yes, we have to do this. We are not surrounded with English environment, so yes, we are helpless to do this. Just sharp your tongue, sharp your mind doing such kind of practice. Yeah, you have to speak 15 minutes, 20 minutes every day. It doesn't matter what you are speaking, but you have to speak. And also, if I talk about grammar, so yeah, you have tenses to speak. First go and just learn tenses in negative way, positive way, interrogative way. Then you can speak. I spoke what? I spoke just sentences. Sometime I spoke in past time, sometime I spoke in present time, sometime I spoke in future time, and some modal verb. So yeah, you have to learn grammar as well. Yes, it is fact, because we, how can we speak until we have grammar rules? So yeah, you have to learn step by step grammar rule, and also you have to practice. You have to speak every day for 5 minutes and 15 minutes, 20 minutes, in order to on and also if I talk about grammar rules, so you just watch my video. You will find how I made you how I uh, like described all the rules about grammar, like present, past, future. So guys, if you have liked this video, please subscribe, and please watch my previous video so that you can understand how to practice in English. Thank you so much. Bye.